Hello students, today I am going to explain you how the Google Scholar is worked. Okay, so you will able to search Google Scholar effectively and you will able to locate free resources or open resources which you will able to see in the screen. So let's open the Google Scholar. Type Google Scholar in your Google search engine. Click on Google Scholar. So if you want to search scholarly articles, you have to type the keywords. Say for example, institutional repository. Institutional repository in India. So you are able to see all the articles which are related to institutional repository in India. You can give the inverted comma while searching this particular phrase as a phrase. See, now without comma you have got 3,17,000 searches. The moment you put inverted comma, you have got 3,17,000 searches, means it has reduced. Okay, so in the display you are able to see the scholarly articles. So when you read these scholarly articles, on that right side you will able to see the resources which are freely available, the same resource which can be available freely on that particular website. So for example, this particular article is available on this particular website. If you go and click here, you will able to read the entire article. Okay, so in this way you can find out the full text availability of the article on various platforms or websites. So this particular article is also available on, it is available on Emerald, but it's not full text available. Right now it is available because it has identified the IP address and it is subscribed by the library, so it is showing the full text of the article. Otherwise this article is not available free of cost. Okay, so you can see here this full text article. You can click here how to cite this particular article by clicking on cite. So if I want to cite this particular article, if I click on this particular cite option, I am able to, it is showing me the options in various formats like MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard and Vancouver. You can copy paste whichever you desire. Right click and copy and paste wherever you want, so that you can store the citations. Okay, citation of the article that you have gone through or you have read. So you can just shut down and then you can click on cited by. So when you click on cited by, you are able to see how many people have cited this particular article. So there are 29 articles who are citing this particular article. Institutional Repositories in India preliminary study. Okay, so you will able to see all the articles which have citing this particular article. Okay, so this is a cited document and these are the citing authors, you can see. Okay, so this is all about Google Scholar. Thank you so much. I hope you will use Google Scholar for finding scholarly articles.